Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all in your Secretariat Practice Class 12th Standard with the new syllabus. As you can see the slide is related to your lesson number 2. Your lesson name is Sources of Corporate Finance. We have already started the lesson number 2. Now we are going to discuss the lesson with the new heading and the new topic. What we have covered in the previous video, features of equity share. Our today's topic is related to meaning of preference share and we will complete the features of preference share. Before going to the feature, we must be aware about the preference share. We have already discussed in the lesson number 2 where we said that sources of the on capital include the share. We also categorize the share into the two categories. First is equity share and second one is preference share. So here we will discuss more about the preference share based on their rights. So this paragraph is taken from the textbook so you can understand the meaning and try to get the answer. The shares which carry following preferential right are termed as preference share. Which type of preferential right? A preferential right related to payment of dividend during the lifetime of the company. Dividend means profit. That means being a preference shareholder, you will get the right related to payments of dividend in the lifetime of the company. Second preferential right is related to return of capital. Whatever you invested in the company, you want it back. So they get the preferential right related to return of the capital at the time of winding up, at the time of closing up of the company. The holder of the preferential holder have a prior right to receive fixed rate of dividend before any dividend is paid to the equity share. तो यहाँ पे आप बोल रहे हैं कि being a preference shareholder you have a right. Which type of right? To receive your profit at what rate? At the fixed rate before paying to the equity shareholder. That means again you are getting the priority. Again you are getting the preferential right. The rate of dividend is prescribed at the time of issue. So whenever you will be a part of the preference shareholder, that means your rate of the dividend, your rate of the profit is prescribed at the time of the issue. Now another paragraph to explain more about the preferential share. Normally preference share do not carry any voting right. हमने इक्विटी में क्या पढ़ा था? We have discussed that equity shareholder carry the normal voting rights. They are the real owner. And here we are saying that preference shareholder do not carry. That means they do not give the voting power. They do not have the voting power. They have voting rights only on matter which affect their interest. They have a voting rights related to their matters only, such as selling of undertaking or changing rights of preferential share, etc. Or they get voting right if dividend remain unpaid. Sometimes they may get the voting right, but the situation is different when their dividend, when their profit unpaid with the company, that time they will get the voting right related to their matters. The preference shareholder are co-owner of the company but they are not the controller. We said that the equity shareholder are the main owner of the company. They can control the company through the participation of the management, but here we are saying that preference shareholder, they invested their amount in the company but they will be considered as the co-owner of the company, not the controller of the company. These shares are purchased by cautious investors who are interested in safety of investment and who want to study returns on investment. That means a preference shareholder is the type of cautious investor where the investor want the return only. where the investor want the steady returns on the investment. Now the next where we are going to discuss about the features of preference share. What is first preference share? Preference for dividend. We have discussed these things. We have discussed this heading in the previous paragraph, but here we will discuss the feature one by one. Preference share have the first charge on distributable amount of annual net profit. That means whatever company earns as a net profit, preferential shares have a right. They can charge on the distributable amount of the profit. They can ask to the company to repay the dividend amount to them. The dividend is payable to the preference shareholder before it is paid to the equity shareholder. That means they will get the preferential right. They get the priorities. For what? For their dividend, for their profit before it is paid to the equity shareholder. What is the conclusion? It's already simple. You can easily understand the paragraph. But just to understand in the small point, we just add the conclusion. Preference shareholder are the first person who get their profit first before equity shareholder. Second feature. Second feature, preference for repayments of the capital. That means preference shareholder have a priority. Preference shareholder have a preference over equity shareholder in respect of return of capital. So who will get the first return of the capital? Preference shareholder instead of equity shareholder. When the company is liquidated, that means company जब close होती है, company जब बंद होती है, it save preference shareholder from the capital losses. That means preference shareholder can save to themselves from the capital losses when the company is going to be liquidated or closed. Conclusion: preference shareholder get priority to return their capital first when company get liquidated or closed. That means payment किसको पहले मिलेगी? Preference shareholder को. Third feature, fixed return. These shares carry dividend at fixed rate. जो आपका प्रॉफिट है वो किस पे बेस्ड है? फिक्स रेट पर है. द रेट ऑफ डिविडेंड इज प्री डिटरमाइंड. पहले से ही आपका कैलकुलेटेड होता है, पहले से ही कंफर्म है. एट द टाइम ऑफ इशू, वेन एवर यू विल बाय द प्रेफरेंस शेयर, यू विल गेट द फिक्स रेट ऑफ डिविडेंड एट द टाइम ऑफ issue, at the time of buying the share. It may be in the form of fixed sum, maybe fixed sum हो सकता है amount, or may be calculated at the fixed rate of interest. The preference shareholder are entitled to dividend which can be paid only out of the profit. तो preference shareholder को आपको जो dividend मिलता है किस में से मिलता है? Through the out of profit. If the director in financial crisis, maybe a director feels that the company comes into the financial crisis, then what will happen? Decided not to pay dividend. तो क्या होगा? प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर को डिविडेंड नहीं मिलेगा. द प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर हैव नो क्लेम फॉर द डिविडेंड. तो प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर के पास में क्या होगा? डिविडेंड नहीं मिलेगा. Actually, related to preference shareholder, there are so many types. So we will discuss this thing about the type of the preference share in the next video. So the meaning of this line can be changed after learning the type of the preference share. So here the meaning is related to the fixed return. That means if the board of director feels then there is a crisis in the company, then they can stop the payment to the payments of dividend to the preference shareholder. So preference shareholder cannot claim for the dividend. This is the current situation in this paragraph. What is the conclusion? Preference shareholder get fixed dividend on their investment. Dividend given to the preference shareholder from out of the profit. If there is no profit, then there is no return on their investment. नेचर ऑफ द कैपिटल, आपने इक्विटी में पढ़ा था कि नेचर ऑफ द कैपिटल इज परमानेंट, बट हियर व्हाट वी आर सेइंग, preference share do not provide permanent share capital. Reason is that company has to repayment the amount at the timing of company's life. They are redeemed, that means repayment हो सकता है after certain period of the time. ऐसा नहीं है कि परमानेंट कैपिटल है. आफ्टर द सर्टेन पीरियड ऑफ द टाइम प्रीफरेंस शेयर होल्डर शुड गेट देयर अमाउंट बैक विद देयर इंटरेस्ट. अ कंपनी कैन नॉट इशू इररिडेबल प्रेफरेंस शेयर. कंपनी क्या कर सकती है, नहीं इशू कर सकती. विच टाइप ऑफ शेयर, इररिडेबल, दैट मीन्स जो आपके लिक्विड नहीं होंगे, कैश नहीं होंगे एट द टाइम ऑफ लाइफ टाइम ऑफ द company. They can be only redeemed after the closing time of the company. Preference share capital is generally raised at a later stage. Preference share order आपको starting में नहीं चाहिए. Whenever you think that you want to increase your business, see this, when the company gets established, company जब establish हो जाती है, after that you need the preference share capital. These shares are issued to satisfy the need for additional capital. That means preference share capital can be utilized for the additional capital, not for the primary capital. Preference share capital is safe and secure capital as the rate of dividend is fixed and the market value does not fluctuate. That means at the time of the issue you are providing the fixed rate of dividend. That means so market क्या होगा, market will not affect your nature of capital of preference share. What is the conclusion? Nature of capital of preference shareholder is not permanent. It is repaid by the company in certain period of the time. Now the next feature, market value. We discussed this point also in the equity shares, so again we are going to discuss this point in the terms of the preference share. What is market? Where demand and supply can run. So market value is related to demand and supply. The market value of preference share does not change as the rate of the dividend payable to them is fixed. If the amount is already fixed, so there is no changes of the market. The capital appreciation is considered to be low as compared with the equity share. इस पे जो आपका capital appreciation होगा, जो आपकी capital बढ़ेगी, that will be low consider as compared to the equity share. क्योंकि equity share आपकी क्या करते हैं, they are ready to take the risk, so that in the risk condition, in the bear condition, equity shareholder get the more advantage as compared to the preference shareholder. Conclusion, market value do not affect to the preference share due to fixed dividend paid by the company. Now the sixth feature, voting right. Voting right कैसा रहता है, again हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. The preference share do not have the normal voting right. They have their right but related to their matters. They do not enjoy right of control on the company affairs of the company. हमने बोला था they are the co-owner, they are not the controller. So who will control the company? Equity shareholder, not the preference shareholder. They have voting rights on any resolution of the company directly affecting their rights. So voting rights कब मिलेंगे? When the matter will be related to their rights, will be related to their interest. Change in terms of repayment of capital, dividend payable to them are in arrears for the last 2 consecutive year. Change in terms of the repayment of capital, अगर आपका जो dividend है वो आपका arrear है, that means due है last 2 years से, तो आपका यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, terms of the repayment आपकी change हो जाएगी and you will get some right related to the repayments of the capital. What is conclusion? Voting rights in preference share is related to their matters only. If there will be remain anything related to the dividend payment, then they will get some right related to their dividend only. One of the feature is risk. The investor who are cautious generally purchase preference share. Being an investor, if you want to be secure, you want to be cautious related to your payment, you must purchase the preference share instead of equity share. Safety of the capital and steady returns on investment are advantage attached with the preference share. That means you are getting the fixed rate of interest, you are getting the fixed rate of return on your capital, and you will get your return amount at the time of the company's life. That means there is an advantage. These shares are boon for the shareholder. This type of share क्या है? boon है shareholder के लिए during the time of depression period when interest rate is continuously falling. When you think that your company, when the company comes into the falling situation, that time a shareholder maybe comes into the loss situation, but being a preference shareholder you will be safe. Reason is that you are already fixed with your dividend payment and with your capital amount investment. So what is the conclusion? Conclusion is preference shareholders are cautious for their payment but not the real risk bearer. Number 8 and 9 both are very simple. That is the reason I have not mentioned the conclusion. Face value is the value of the share. So face value of the preference share is related to higher than the equity share. Equity share में हमने क्या डिस्कस किया था? फेस वैल्यू लाइक 1 rupees and 10 rupees, and here we are saying that the normally issued amount of the preference shareholder is 100 rupees. Next one, right or bonus issue. Bonus issue only issued to the equity shareholder, not to the preference shareholder. What is written? Preference shareholder are not entitled for rights or bonus share. प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर क्या है? उनको ना तो राइट्स मिलेगा और ना ही बोनस शेयर मिलेगा. Now the next one, nature of investor. प्रेफरेंस शेयर अट्रैक्ट मॉडरेट टाइप ऑफ द इन्वेस्टर. मॉडर्न टाइप इन्वेस्टर आपके किस में आते हैं? प्रेफरेंस शेयर में आते हैं. इन्वेस्टर who are conservative, cautious, interested in safety of capital and who want steady return on the investment generally purchase preference share. That means the type nature of the investor of the preference share is related to cautious. They are concerned about their payment, they are concerned there about the amount whatever they invested into the company. They do not want to take the risk. They are the co-owner of the company, they are not the real owner of the company. So nature of the investors are cautious and conservative. They want to be safe related to their payment. So overall there were 10 features given in your textbook related to the features of preference share. I hope you people can understand the feature of preference share what we have completed in this video. In this video we have learned about the meaning of preference share as well as we have completed the feature of preference share. So meaning and feature both we have completed in this video, which is just opposite to the equity share. If you will try to compare the equity share and the preference share, then you will see that both are the opposite to the each other. So this type of things will helpful to you to understand the topic. So remaining topic from lesson number 2 with the new heading, with the new topic, we will continue in our next video. Thank you for watching the video.